Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about renewable energy and its types, applications, advantages, and disadvantages. So, let's start the video. Renewable energy refers to the energy that is generated from sources that are naturally replenished and can be sustained over long periods of time. These sources are considered more environmentally friendly and sustainable compared to fossil fuels, which are finite and contribute to pollution and climate change. Renewable energy technologies harness natural processes to generate power without depleting the Earth's resources. Some of the most common types of renewable energy sources include 1. Solar energy. Solar power is generated by capturing the energy from the sun's rays using photovoltaic (PV) cells or solar panels. These panels convert sunlight directly into electricity, which can be used for residential, commercial, and industrial purposes. Solar energy is the most abundant of all energy resources and can even be harnessed in cloudy weather. The rate at which solar energy is intercepted by the Earth is about 10,000 times greater than the rate at which humankind consumes energy. The cost of manufacturing solar panels has plummeted dramatically in the last decade, making them not only affordable but often the cheapest form of electricity. Solar panels have a lifespan of roughly 30 years and come in a variety of shades depending on the type of material used in manufacturing. 2. Wind energy. Wind turbines capture the kinetic energy from moving air and convert it into electricity. Wind farms are often situated in locations with consistent and strong winds to maximize power generation. Wind energy has been used for millennia, but onshore and offshore wind energy technologies have evolved over the last few years to maximize the electricity produced, with taller turbines and larger rotor diameters. Many parts of the world have strong wind speeds, but the best locations for generating wind power are sometimes remote ones. Offshore wind power offers tremendous potential. 3. Hydropower. Hydropower, also known as hydroelectric power, is generated by capturing the energy from flowing water. Dams or waterfalls are typically used to channel and control the flow of water, which then drives turbines to produce electricity. Hydropower reservoirs often have multiple uses, providing drinking water, water for irrigation, flood and drought control, navigation services, as well as energy supply. It relies on generally stable rainfall patterns and can be negatively impacted by climate-induced droughts or changes to ecosystems which impact rainfall patterns. The infrastructure needed to create hydropower can also impact on ecosystems in adverse ways. For this reason, many consider small-scale hydro a more environmentally friendly option, and especially suitable for communities in remote locations. For biomass energy is derived from organic materials such as wood, agricultural residues, and waste. Energy created by burning biomass creates greenhouse gas emissions, but at lower levels than burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, or gas. These materials can be burned directly for heat or converted into biofuels, like ethanol and biodiesel, which can be used for transportation and energy generation. Modern biomass systems include dedicated crops or trees, residues from agriculture and forestry, and various organic waste streams. 5. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is produced by tapping into the Earth's internal heat. This is often done by utilizing naturally occurring steam or hot water reservoirs beneath the Earth's surface to generate electricity or provide direct heating. Reservoirs that are naturally sufficiently hot and permeable are called hydrothermal reservoirs, whereas reservoirs that are sufficiently hot but that are improved with hydraulic stimulation are called enhanced geothermal systems. Once at the surface, fluids of various temperatures can be used to generate electricity. The technology for electricity generation from hydrothermal reservoirs is mature and reliable, and has been operating for more than 100 years. 6. Ocean energy. Ocean energy encompasses various technologies that harness the energy from ocean tides, waves, and temperature differences. These technologies are still in the experimental and developmental stages. Ocean energy derives from technologies that use the kinetic and thermal energy of seawater, waves or currents for instance, to produce electricity or heat. Ocean energy systems are still at an early stage of development, with a number of prototype wave and tidal current devices being explored. The theoretical potential for ocean energy easily exceeds present human energy requirements. The benefits of using renewable energy, enhanced reliability, security, and resilience of the nation's power grid. Job creation throughout renewable energy industries, reduced carbon emissions and air pollution from energy production, increased nation's energy independence, increased affordability, as many types of renewable energy are cost competitive with traditional energy sources, expanded clean energy access for non-grid connected or remote, coastal, or island communities. However, there are also challenges associated with renewable energy, such as intermittency, high initial costs of infrastructure, and the need for efficient energy storage solutions to ensure a continuous and reliable energy supply. This is all for today. If you are new to my channel, then like this video and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get updates. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.